How's going everyone? Mick here. I'm just doing a bit of cleaning up, pruning the trees here, as you can see. But I found something over here I haven't seen before, eh? Look at these little fellas, eh? What kind of birds are they? Look at them, they've got funny tails and they run real fast. Hey little fella, look at them, eh? Look, they're little birds, eh? I don't know what kind they are, but they look so funny, eh? Hello little fellas. Look at them run, eh? They run so fast, eh? And they can fly. Look, eh? What a cool bird, eh? See you little fellas. You take care. I see you till next time, eh? See you. Bye-bye little birdies. Little birdies, hey, the little birdies. See you everyone. Take care. Joyce, hey bro. Bye.